don't edit this out. It's actually bad.
Edit it in, triple it.
Hello everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video. I'm here at the Canada Day Parade because I'm working the Canada Day Parade. So I'm going to be here till like the evening, and then after I'm going to go watch the fireworks with my friends and I'll vlog the day and we'll see what's going on. Like, subscribe, and comment. And let's get into the video.
Why am I struggling? We'll move it up there, okay? Thanks, darling. We'll be right back, okay?
Far and wide, oh Canada, we stand on guard for thee. Oh Canada, we stand on guard for thee. Oh Canada, we stand on guard for thee. Thank you, Deputy Chief. Falls on me, brings me down.
Hey guys, I'm on lunch right now. I got a pizza. I got a drink. Part's going good. We've had a lot of temporary tattoos being done. I got one right there, but it came off. I just got a butterfly somewhere. But yeah, so it's going really well. Only a few hours left. And then I'll update you guys later. Bye! I'm basically done my break, but I'm just looking around at all the stuff because there's so many cool events going on and I haven't seen these because I usually pull up later. Anyways, I'm gonna go back to work. Bye! Anyways. Oh wow, look who we have here. What you doing? Do you want to be part of my YouTube?
Yes!
She's going.
Is it a picture?
No, video.
Oh, a video, okay. Ready?
Ready?
Okay, we got this, ready?
Yeah. Pro golfer here.
What happened to the hole-in-one? I got a hole-in-one on this one.
How do you?
Okay, I got this. One more.
Girl! Finally. Good job. Yourself. This is Madeline. working camp today, but we're overstaffed, so we have like nothing to do. So we're just fooling around. Is it golf or is it like putting?
It's like mini golf.
I don't know. Okay. It ain't me. You're next.
Okay, you go. Hit it too hard.
No, you're good.
No, it's gonna do what I did and it's gonna go over.
Oh!
Okay, wait, how are you good at this? That was fire.
It's going back.
You should have seen what happened the last time I went mini golfing.
I'm not a mini golfer.
You know what? I can work with that. I can work with that.
We getting that?
Okay, watch this.
Oh!
Or I can't. It doesn't count. It doesn't count. Perfect. And we're just gonna go like a little like tap.
Yeah! Good job.
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
My bio on my Instagram.
Okay, okay. Oh, I don't have your Instagram. Okay.
Hey, you need to get them all.
Yeah. Okay.
Guys, there's no pro here.
Oh yeah.
Just a little bit.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
Okay.
You got that? Oh, that's it.
Everyone saw. Okay, last one. Okay.
Yeah.
There we go. Does anyone want to go? Friends, it is almost 5 and I have been working the bouncy house for so long. Now I'm finally back at the temporary tattoo station. I'm so tired. Anyways, look, this one's coming off. Still live music going on. Setting up a bunch of stuff. Hello everyone, I'm currently done work and I'm on my way home because my friend is running late. Adrian, he's running late, so I am just gonna go back home, possibly take a nap, and then I'll head back down here before the fireworks. So I'll see you guys either post nap or maybe I won't nap, maybe I'll eat some food. Anyways, bye. Rain gone. I'm not even home yet. Ah, look at this. So rain. Oh, wow. Whatever. I'll be fine. I'm not even home yet. Look at this. Ooh, on the bright side, we got a rainbow. Wow. Alright, guys. I'm officially home. And I'm all soggy. My bag covered me there. I'm a little ball of sog. So I'm probably gonna have a shower and then get ready to go see fireworks. So I think they're still going on because like it's not until 10 p.m. but it's okay. Honestly, pretty good day at work. Like it could have been a lot crazier. It was good. Only one woman thought she lost her kid, but she didn't, and she found him. So, yep. And I got, I think, soggy fruit roll up in my pocket now. And a pencil. I'm gonna charge my phone, shower, and then I'll update you guys later. Bye-bye. Alright, I'm all ready to go. I just put my hair into a slick ponytail. And then Adrian will be here soon. Then I'll go. Where is you playing? Hello. Why is that the first thing I hear? Fuck off.
Wow. But for copyright infringement.
Oh yeah.
We're in the soul. You look bald as
Yeah.
different fits on.
Okay, but that shirt with the gym shark, come on now.
We have different enough fits, I think that's okay. It took you a little.
The boyfriends are finally back together.
You're romantic.
Romantic scene for the camera. I'm waiting for the romantic scene, guys. Love my friends. They're so nice. She sees you. Whatever.
Of you guys? Oh, of us? Hey guys, we're back together. Listen, we do like Christina sometimes, and I think, you know, we hate all of, Adrian hates I was gonna say domestic abuse, but that's not true.
They're ditties.
They're dead. Oh, there he is! Come with me. Hey, I have Christina's phone. She's taking a video. Oh, she is? Hi. Oh, how you doing? You're doing good. Me and Adrian are gonna go swimming. You're gonna come with us? Sure. Like, we're gonna get naked. Not completely naked, because we're gonna case there's kids, but.
Hello.
It's your phone. What's up, bro? Coming in.
Oh, that was good.
Is that us? Yeah, how did you know, bro? He's down. I know, I told him. Exactly.
1, go. Water. I don't really want to go all the way. I'm tired. They're gonna make me go all the way out, and I'm way shorter than them. I hate them. They're so annoying. It's a video.
Freestyle?
No, it's not. See how far?
Here, you guys go further so me and Adrian.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Okay. They're gonna absolutely just kill us.
I'm gonna miss.
Stay here.
It's Casa all over again, bro.
Ah,
It's so
I'm
good.
too far. I'm too far. Thoughts on losing?
Chill.
Are you offset bound still?
I am.
He's still the better swimmer.
I'm Olympic bound at this point. Alright.
Who we have here? Mr. Tandoori Shawarma himself.
Yes, sir. You know it.
Hey guys! Do not run at them.
Push up and push up.
Nice maneuver.
It's actually nice. Like when
Is
it's
this
not
Patrick Bateman?
So it's Halloween, what, 2020?
2023? Yeah.
when it's not like touching your balls, it's nice in here.
Yeah, I agree.
I put my shorts back.
I'm supposed to be intercepting. Every day. Get it there?
It's okay. We're not like.
Okay, film this way, Quinn. Landscape. There you go. Thanks.
You know I'm bad at love. Power start. Yeah. Where it's blazing. You're going to Eaton Center in Toronto.
Oh, I like that. I didn't find anything though. I can't see shit. Actually, let me see. We did not get it, bro. There's stuff. There's evidence.
Oh.
Zoom in.
Who's that little ass kid? Oh, I ruined her clip.
She'll put music on behind. Oh, she can throw in. I'll just throw it right in.
Oh, that's Christina.
Oh, you getting your good profile?
Yeah.
What's your good side?
My good side is under your good side. Okay. And what over? How about back shots?
Yeah, this is a good sign. Yeah. How's the hair looking? Not great. Smoking that pack. You're just ruining Christina's mom. Oh, is that her in the water? Oh, I'm selling her footage. Wait, listen. See? Water? Oh my, how did Emma just get packed? She's like 5'1", bro. Is it cold? Why do you have sand all over your back? We were playing catch. Can you brush it off? You should go in it. It's actually really nice. I'm too fat. That's cat, bro. Should I stop recording? Or should I keep recording? I don't know how her space is like in her camera. Me too. We can leave right now. Hi, Christina. Hi, Christina. You have a booger on your nose. You gotta eat it? You gotta eat it. Is it gone? Are you guys gonna go to Loco Smoker? Definitely have to check that out. Must have. There's Matt. That's the Toe Gripper 5000.
Got it.
Cosplaying as a sandworm.
Cosplaying as a what?
As a sandworm.
Okay.
It sounds like an insult because it's not.
You're so racist.
Well, no, Chinese people actually. I'm trying to think. There's five. Bad.
It's like a fly.
Yeah.
Oh no! Fuck off! Funny people. That's not what I meant.
No. Hold your hand.
He's starting to beat. Is this We Will Rock You?
Go to the bathroom.
Adrian, what are you up
I
to?
did like a tour.
Adrian.
It was like
Adrian. What are you?
Adrian, what are you up?
You know what?
About that.
I talked to one of the ladies. And she kept saying like let me out. And that's it, but I just yeah.
How much money for me to put it in my mouth?
Wait, throw it up.
Put what?
That.
Adrian?
No, Adrian is like a seal. No, fucking He was asking.
Adrian, get the other one.
No, I'm so
by your feet. There's a whole ass crustacean by your
bulking.
You.
Should be bulking.
It's already like my religion.
Yeah, what's
This is the Boba Loca special.
The Boba Loca special.
Freshly made.
Ian would love.
Give it to Aiden. Describe it to us.
Fresh.
What are the top notes?
Top notes of Up Dog.
Where do you think it's from? Is this Chardonnay?
I think this
I
is
think it's got it like so too.
Oh.
fresh from
No, but that's good. It's not on the fingers.
Yeah, it's like
Guantanamo Bay.
We're waiting for Quinn and Adrian to come back because Adrian went to go get his car. And it's low-key really cold, and this is the worst remix ever. The music here is really bad, but whatever.
Yeah, take this one off the rotation, guys.
Are we getting copyrighted? I don't even think so. It's that bad.
No, it did a shitty ass remix. Oh my god. Playlist destroyer.
Yeah, so we're just waiting for everyone to show up, and it's low-key cold because we went in the water. But yeah, it'll warm up. Bye.
Guys,
Look at this.
look at this shit. Yo!
Oh, they're coming for you.
It's not our month anymore.
It's not your month anymore.
Oh no, scoots down! Why not? Not off. He's playing hard again.
He's trying to get your underwear to dry.
No! With him doing need this. Yeah, he would need this.
Before you know it, it slips in his dialogue.
It's in.
It's in.
Kids,
Rate,
bro.
rate the evening.
Pick a 2. No, I'm kidding. It's good. Like 7.8. This is so fun. It starts in 3 hours, don't worry. Yeah, they said from 10 to 11. Like it could start. From 6 to 7. No, from 10 to 11. 6, 7? My bad.
Watch a kid is gonna knock that over.
Who cares, bro? Just oh, right. The pictures people not watch your videos anymore, so we can go crazy.
Go for it.
Don't edit this out. It's actually bad, man. Edit it in. Triple it.
It's 3 times in a row.
Anyways, guys.
Sorry.
It's an 8. Okay.
It's a 6.
Oh.
Oh, yo.
Please.
We can't move now though.
Yeah, you literally can't.
Yo, can you take a...
Yeah. A hard pick. Alright. One more. Get jiggy with it.
Yeah, I'll shoot it to you. I'll shoot it to you.
Oh, he's tweaking. Fenley. He's tweaking. Fenley.
Oh, I'm gonna pull you up.
Adrian.
Yeah, pump it.
Like this?
Yeah.
Oh.
Is that Wednesday Adams?
Wait, I didn't know you were.
Adam?
Yo.
See what I feel like.
Sometimes you just gotta...
Up in the schnoz.
Sometimes you just gotta go with it.
All we see is the schnoz.
And off to reap the corn and live where I was born. I got a stout black thorn for to banish ghosts and goblins.
Adrian, how do you feel
A
about it?
brand new pair of oars
do you feel
to
about
rattle over the rocks on the rocky road to Dublin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Thank you very much, Quinn.
In the merry month of May, from me home I started, left the girls a tune. I nearly broken hearted and leave the father dear. Kiss me, darling mother, drank a pint of beer. Like grief is streamless, rumbling off to reap the corn. Up where I was born, got the showman on the Venice coast. And Goblin's brand new whereabouts, pointing off the bog on the rocky road to Dublin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up the hair and turned it down the rocky road and all the way to Dublin. Up the lobby guy, but leave to leave it cool. And the home is hard and left the girls a tune. I nearly broken heart, so leave the father dear. Kiss me, mother, and drank a pint of beer like he said here. Dublin up to reap the corn. Oh my flash. Are you getting really good video?
That's what my stomach sees after I eat like a Big Mac.
A Big Mac? That was the highest.
You're not going high.
Yeah.
Wake up the plastic to
Yo, is it coming for us?
Green. Blue.
There's not a blue.
Green. No, it's fine.
No, it's gonna be red.
Blue.
It's orange.
Red.
Green. Oh,
Green.
red.
oh, that's kind of blue.
Blue.
7? Yeah.
Hey, it's blue.
Shit brown. 4.
That was for you, I paid for that.
That was fun.
It's romantic.
I just made that. That was mine. I just airbended it. Okay, this one's for you.
Oh, really? It's like the most basic one?
No, this one. Yeah.
No, this one.
That was from Kira.
Christina, this one's for you right there. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Adrian Javillas. This is the Quentin Davis Supreme. Oh, W. Oh, the extras. What do you think the chances are the next one's a firework too? Oh. Alright, Emmett is freezing.
Yeah.
Fireworks are done. We're heading out. It's so cold. I'm still soggy. Quinn and Adrian are getting in the car. I'll update when I'm back at home. It's the boys. I said it's the boys.
Sunburn till I oh my god, it's so class. That's such a W.
No, you got one more in you. Come on.
Fuck. She thung on my Greta till I burg. I like that one. It's not bad. Oh, it's my house.
I just passed it when I was coming home from work.
Why art thou Christmas?
And you're never there.
No, I'm not.
And there was a whole gathering going on in the back. There was someone giving a speech or something.
Oh, they had a party when they said they weren't? That's so fun. I love when they say that. They say to me only when I'm having a party.
Yeah. She burnt on my editally thumb.
She what?
She burnt on my editally thumb.
Is that another Kia Soul? With a trapped baby in the back?
Is that a scam bag?
Are you going after it?
What?
They're gonna only, there can only be one.
There's only one superior soul.
The one with the stickers.
The nervous driver.
I'm gonna drive into Autonomy and blow it up.
The campers or the river?
The campers? You mean the college?
Yes.
The campus, oh.
Where are you
The
chilling?
camp.
Oh!
You...
Waits 5 business days.
5